Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to format a book on Reedsy. So you want to come to editor.reedsy.com. Come here, click on either create a book or you can import one. So come click on this and then you just need to upload your manuscript right here. Let me go ahead and do that really quickly. Okay, there we go. It is uploaded. You can of course drag and drop or select from your file explorer. Book title, this one's fine. We'll do test tutorial as the title. I'm going to go ahead and import this book. And then once it's done importing, I will show you how to go ahead and format this, right? So let's wait for it to fully go ahead and import. And I already have another book here. So come here, just click on manage. So we're going to switch up the settings right here. If you want, you can go ahead and do that. But what I'll just do is go back and continue on it. So just tap on the book and it'll open up a new tab right here, okay? Okay, now, if you want to format, for example, this, you can go ahead and, highlight this and format it that way, right? Anything can be formatted. For example, if you want to change this to bold, highlight this, click on bold, right? And then you can do italic, underline, strike through, a lot of different other things. If you want to make it a header, you can do that as well. And you can go ahead and, for example, if I come over here, I'm also able to track changes and comments, right, of any changes I'm making. So once you toggle this on, you'll be able to see the changes you make. For example, if I underline that, right? So I can go ahead and close this for now. We'll accept all of the changes. And then I can go ahead and close this, okay? But otherwise, if you want to create a new chapter, this is what you do. For example, let's say I come here, right? I want to create a new chapter right here. So I'll come here and you want to click on split chapter, place the cursor where you want to go ahead and split that, enter a new title, for example, chapter 2, and you can go ahead and split it. Okay. Now reload the page. That's completely fine. And then you can see we have chapter 2 right there. And there we go. The other chapter has also been added, right? And you can also go ahead and track your changes for every single day. Okay. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.